Thank you so much. You've been fantastic. Hello! Oh, is there anyone down there?
Excuse me, can I have that as my pet?
Do you want it? Do you want to take a walk? He's a lot.
You might eat our dogs.
Yeah, I want it as my pet.
Right, I'm going to let these two pass. I'll come back. I'm going to come back, all right? Here we go.
I really want it as another baby. And it has a
Yeah, you can have it. He's only a few minutes old and he's
What if
already
it
this
has
big.
another ring?
What's that?
What if it has another ring?
Well, I mean, there might be another egg.
Can it still?
Yeah, what's that?
And it biting you.
Be careful. Be careful. Of course you can. But I tell you, you might go after you right here. Now, watch out, watch out. There's no table, man. There's no more.
Oh, Rob, there's that round mover.
Oh, you like Well, thank you so much for helping Hampshire. You've been brilliant.
I really want it.
Do you want it? Well, we'll see. Is that all right? Yeah, another member of the family. Yeah, you have space. Yeah, just like I said, lots of monster munch. Normally sleeps.
Might not eat our dogs.
Thank you so much, everyone. You've been brilliant. All right. See you
Have a bite,
soon.
Dragon.